Hey, if you want to connect the PlayStation controller or any other gamepad into your POCO X6 Pro, for sure you can do this. But first of all, you will have to decide how to do this by using the wireless method or wired method. In this video, I'm going to actually show you how you can do this with the cable. So first, you will have to enable the OTG connection. So open the settings, scroll until you find additional settings, scroll down one more time and enable the OTG connection. And next, you'll have to plug this cable into your controller. So in my case, that's the old PS4 controller. I have to plug this cable right here. And now I have the USB-A. So if you wonder how to connect this USB-A into the USB-C port on the POCO X6 Pro, you will need to get this adapter, USB-A to USB-C. Now you will have to plug it just right here, and then you'll have to plug this into the port. There we go. Now when it is actually connected, you will be actually able to find this information on your gamepad that the indicator is turned on. There we go. So as you can see right now, this gamepad is working. Also this touch sensor is working on the gamepad. So if you want to navigate or play some games, for sure you can do this thanks to this wired connection. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.